Name Roblox, name Carcass Studio, right there. But you cannot be careful for this. Look at it, look at this. Look at this. Ah! Come on, come on. Double! Here's another kingdom. Come on. Wow. Beautiful. Right. There's no company. Yeah, this is good for me. Now we can start. The railway crossing is actually broken. That's right. That's right, yeah, about the crazy thing I have. Take care right now. Gonna go. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Help! Cameras everywhere. Now does I go? Meow. Meow. Woohoo! Yeah, so let's go. Here come the buses. What the buses? There we go. Oh, we need this. Hi, yeah. Let's return the season. Let's cross it. Bro, someone help me. Like that, like that. I'm done. Let's go. Like that. Spore. Now spore. Gonna break the signal lights. That one is stuck. What is that not trying to? No, the signal light is too strong. Wait, which one? With no light. We got this, now like that. Let's go. Maybe that signal light will stop for so that can crash. Whoa, the best dream that ever I had. What? You say what? Okay. Wow. The one is a flying. Do you see that? It's over now. This one, the yellow things, not that one. It's other flying over there. This one coming down. But the bus is still there. Let's go.